Hi everyone, let's talk about how can you make your hair hairing, if that makes any sense.
Okay.
So this is my first time using Clip Studio. Here is the layer and all the brushes. To be honest, these brushes are so smooth and I have got the stabilization to 100, but it doesn't work for all of the brushes. For some of the brushes it makes it lag. And here is the view panel. So basically I'm using the G pen. I haven't tried out any of the brushes till now, but this brush is beautiful. Like, look at the strokes. It makes the lashes so beautiful. You need to create a point where the hairline starts. This is like those Japanese manga brushes. You also need to create some loose hairs that doesn't always need to go at the same direction. It can go in different direction, but you just need to make sure that it looks appropriate. This one I'm thinking about making like she have some powers, and those powers are making her kind of float a little bit, so her hairs are going upwards. And this one will have the wind blowing from the side. If you're looking from your side of the character, then the wind is blowing from the left side to the right side. So for the first one we got the wind blowing from the back, and for the second one we have light breeze going around the neck side. One we have got a character who has a superpower and her hair is going upwards because of those powers. And the one we got where the wind is blowing from the left side to the right side. So that's for all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.